Hello, my dear crafter. I bring you today another beautiful die set, one that is amazing. It has many different sizes of pockets. You can make little cards and tags with it. I will show you next. But before I show you the die set, it's by KS Crafts. You know, I love their die sets. I want to show you the kind of things you can create and also give you ideas on how to use it, okay? Because it's got different types of uses that you can have for craft fairs, for markets, for little gifts, for cards, you name it. So the first one here, and I want to just walk you through all the pieces from the die set. The die set comes with 3 sizes of pockets. This is one of the sizes that you can use on this tag, but you can also use on another pocket that I'll show you. I have some just options of tags here just to show you that the die set comes with these 2 sizes of pockets as well. And guys, if you do mini albums and even cards, you can, even boxes actually, you can use these 2 pockets for so many different projects. So you have this size of pocket, this size of pocket that is a little deeper, and then you have the base here. So this is something else that I did. I just used the same die set that makes this tag, and I created a little card. It's another option for you. You can decorate with your beautiful bows. So I'm going to put this aside and show you another one that I made. Here is one that I bought these little hair pins for a girl that I know. So I thought it would be beautiful to just give it in something like this. So I actually had, this is from the Dollar Tree, guys, this sticker here. So I'm going to use one. I just wanted to show you some options here, what you can do with it. But I'm going to have a little card or a little tag for her together with the gift. Again, in this one, I used these 2 pockets here. Here's another option for you, just to show you that there are many possibilities. This is the same. I only used this pocket twice. I just pulled it up a little bit so you can have it a little bit higher. Let me see. Let me show you the difference if you compare to this one. See? You can go much higher if you just pull this pocket, the large one, up. So I glued one on top of another just to give you another option here. And the one that we're making today. Look at this. This is magic. You can open it up like this and you can create a whole bunch of sceneries here. Beautiful cards. You can use this as a little gift box for small gifts. You can put gift cards here, or even in the small pocket here. Let me show you the small pocket. I'll show you with this one. Let me get all this stuff out. But see, you can put a gift card here in front and something else, a little card on the back. So it's a great little gift card holder too. But this is the one we're making together today, okay? Another use for you who, if you make your craft fairs, great for tea bags, put tea bags. And this is just one of the uses. You can put your tea bags here. You can use the little pocket too for that. And you can fill it up with other things. You can put the tea bag here or in front. Here for summer, if you can get some of these drink mixes, you can add it up too. Just find whatever your heart fancies. Summer is coming, so you can use, instead of just regular tea, you can use little iced tea bags and create some food, little gifts, and that will go really well for summer markets. So there's so much you can do with this die set because you can use it in so many different ways. So now I am going to show you the die set, because when you look at it, then you'll understand what all these pieces are. And then we're going to put this one together, okay? So here's the full die set. It's a pretty big one, and I'm going to just quickly walk you through it. This is, of course, to make that tag that I showed you that you can also turn into a card if you want. This is a little pocket that goes on this tag, or it can go here on this pocket as well. It also fits right here. It's perfect for that. So again, many different uses. You can use it on the big one. You can use it just as a little standalone pocket. We have these two pockets here, and you've seen what it looks like. It can look like a door, or you can use, because for this one, you will see next, I cut the bottom flap here. I just left this one, and that's the one that I glued, so you can use it as a little, like a little door, or you can just glue this as is, as a pocket. Because you just fold this, and it's a tuck-in pocket like this. You're just gonna put glue on the sides, and you're gonna leave this open. So that's one option. This is the big pocket right here. That's the pocket, and all of them, you can see that they all have stitched layering pieces. So you can decorate, and all these layering pieces are stitched, which adds a lot to your project. Look at that. So big pocket. This is the smaller pocket right here. That's the base, of course, that you have a layering piece. This little smaller, big pockets, small pockets. So big pockets, small pockets, and that's the die set. So pretty big, a lot of usage. And now I am going to put this one together because it's more, it has, adds a little bit more work. And I thought that that would be the perfect one to teach you, okay? So let's do that. So for this one that we're putting together, I already glued two parts, and I'm going to do another one for you to see how we do this, because as I showed you, this is a pocket. Let me show you the die set. So that's a pocket. Both of them are actually, see, this is the big pocket. Let me show you with this one. So that's the big pocket, and that's the small one. So what I did was I cut the flaps on this one, and I just used it as a decoration piece here because I didn't want to use it as a pocket. And on this one here, what I did was I cut the bottom part because I wanted it to be a door. So it's going to open like this. So we don't need the bottom part. And that's the beauty of this die set. You can do so many different things with it. And the other thing is, so I glued one pocket, as I showed you before. You have the option, I'm going to take all these things away from here so you can see. You have the option that this is the big pocket here, and this is the small pocket, right? So on this one, I chose just to keep a big pocket. So that's what I did. And I already glued the sides and the bottom, and you leave, of course, all this space without glue. So that's ready, that's ready. All I did was glue, and glue it on the back, okay? Why? Because, I mean, one of the options would be to glue it here, but then when you open, you would see it. So what I do is I cover it, because then I'm going to glue this on the back and everything will be covered. So I'm just giving you some tips and some ideas on how to use this. So let's do this one. This die set is so much fun. I was here like all morning just playing with it. Make sure you can close. Oh, and what I do too is I press it down to make sure that it's aligned here. I want to give it a little bit of a wiggle room there. Make sure that there is a little tiny space here. So that's fine. And we're going to cover that. I'm going to open and press it. And now we're going to cover the whole thing with the back, which will give you, and before I do, let me see, I'm going to glue that first. So we're gonna put a lot of glue, especially here on the corners. I mean on the borders. Put a lot of glue because we don't want that showing. And then as much as you can around. But you want to make sure that these flaps don't show. and our doors are ready. So here we are. So we have like an opening door, and of course you can do it. I'm going to do that and I'll be back. I'm going to cut another layer of this big door right here just to use it as a decoration piece. So let me do that. I hadn't thought of it, so I'm going to do that and I'll be back, and because we'll be finished, and then we're going to add the ribbon here because we want it. You may not want to close it, you don't have to. This can be a beautiful card in itself, and you can put some gifts here, like a gift card. You can put a gift card here and send it to someone. But you can also close it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I do that, I'm going to decorate the inside. So I did that. Now it looks much prettier. And we are going to add one eyelet, okay? So basically I want to make sure, I'm going to put like a little dot here so I know where it's supposed to go. Okay. And I'm going to use my crocodile. You have seen me use this a million times. So I made a dot that I cannot see anymore. Oh, I see it. So I'm going to go right there. Make a hole. And now we're going to put the eyelet. I love to use eyelets because I think it gives your paper things a professional look, and it makes it stronger. It doesn't rip your paper if you put this. It actually protects it. Well, I can't put it through. Let me just, sometimes it's hard to do things on camera. Oh, there you go. It's there. Now we're going to press it down. And there you go. We have our eyelet perfectly centered, and we're going to add, oh guys, this is so cute. You can create like a beautiful scenery here as a card, and when you open you have that there. You can do so many different things. So I'm gonna go through here. I love this die set. There you go. And we're going to close with a bow. I know that for some people doing bows is really hard. I always find that funny. I think it's because maybe you were not taught as a kid. And nowadays I don't think kids even have to tie a bow anymore on their shoelaces. So we're going to have a whole generation of people who cannot tie bows. So I am going to, I like to put a knot at the end so it stops it from creating fringes and coming undone. So I'm gonna have one here and another knot on the other side, and here we go, guys. How cute is that? Look at this. So we open it up. The person has, you can use velcro dots here too to close. But look at this, guys. Isn't that the cutest thing? So yeah, I'll have the link below for you. Here are all the, let me zoom out and show you again all that I've created here and here. How cute is that? Thank you so much, guys, and have a wonderful day.